So our mama is done, just done bringing out from the pot. You can see how our mama is looking so delicious. You see it? So as well, you can go ahead to start your business with this kind of moi moi. Yeah, because I am going to eat mine now. You can use rice to eat this, okay? Now just added my rice. I'll add some stew here. I'll put some stew because I like using stew to eat my moi moi. I'll go ahead to take one of the moi moi. The moi moi have not cooled down. It's still hot. Okay, it's still hot, but I want it. I want it as it is hot. Anything, call it like that. Eating it without anything, or with rice, or with meat, with drinks, you are good to. So hello guys, today I just thought I have to make moi moi. This is black eyed beans. I'll show you how you can prepare moi moi at the comfort of your home and eat with your family. My black eyed beans, I will not do much because this moi moi is going to be just for lunch. Okay, first of all, I will add it in a bowl, put your warm water or cold water if it doesn't make what you use to wash it. First of all, I'll wash it out with clean water before I can start to remove the chaff or the bark of the beans. Okay, you can use brown beans if it's what you want. You can as well use any beans of your choice. Now I remove water. I'm coming back, don't worry. I removed the water I washed out, and like I'm not going to soak anything because I'm going to use my machine, my blender, to blend it. So this is my blender. I'm going to be like blending it halfway. Let's just understand, just watch and see what I'm going to do now, because using hand to remove the bark can take a lot of whole year. And just let's see this now. Important if you have blender and you want to try it. And I'm not going to blend like just like this way. So my machine have shifted. Okay, let's just see it now. Let's see the second one. And yeah, this is what I'm looking for. Look at how this blend this. So this is what I'm going to do now, to add water and begin to sieve. Okay, I will add water and begin to sieve. Look at what I have. So keep watching. Let's remove the chaff. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to begin to remove the chaff. Okay, remove the chaff. I put this shifter here so that if there is any piece that fall inside here, I can remove it so easily. You can see, and I'll go ahead to do this as many times as I can to remove all the chaff. So when I bring out the chaff, I'll put it somewhere. Okay, you can see the moi moi and the beans is getting clear. I will will show you only once again, then I will do the rest off cam, and I will show you before I do the last blend. Keep watching. I will add the clean water. I will add the clean water to clean it. Guys, you can see it is getting ready. It is getting ready, guys. So I'm going to be using eggs to prepare this moi moi, and I have here with me the paprika and kakashi, long pepper. I have onions. I'm going to take some here and use it to blend my beans. Let me show you. I'm going to blend them together now, and keep watching. So now my egg is done. I've already removed the shell, and my paprika, and also my onions and long pepper is already clean. And this is my beans. I cleaned it. I just left some black things there, the chaff. You need chaff for it, okay? If you want to remove all your chaff, you can go ahead to remove, but I think I'm done with this. So let's go ahead and blend it. So here I'm going to be introducing to you, for people who have not seen our split blender. This is our blender here. I'm going to use it to try if it can blend this our beans without any lumps. Guys, let's try this our split blender. If you have not known how I got this, you can get it with the link I will add in the video. Get it on my TikTok video down there. I made it. Let's see. Let me not talk much. So let's go ahead and add some water to make the blending easier for us. Remember not to put too much water, because you know this is moi moi. Let's see. Okay, let's see how our split blender done this, if it is done it justice. And for now it's still not too soft, it's not smooth. I'll go ahead to blend it more, guys. I think I added much. I can see the water coming down from this. I think I added much, but let's continue. Yeah, I want the beans or the my butter to be soft. That's why I keep on blending it before I can add. Okay, let's see if it did justice. Yeah, it is now okay, guys. So if you're adding, please don't add much. Okay, don't add more. This is okay. I remove this. This is why I love this blender. It can remove this so easily. And let's continue blending. So look at our batter. So after blending all our moi moi, you can see them here. Yeah, I love this the texture, because it's thick. I didn't allow water to be too much. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to add my crayfish. I add enough crayfish. Crayfish is the very nice to add here. And I'll add my salt. I've not added salt before, okay? And I will add some spices to make it taste well. For that, I will add my cubes. So if you don't like cubes, you can skip that, okay? I don't want to fry it. I just want it to be natural taste. If you want to fry yours, you can slice your onions and make a little bit frying. I want it this way, guys. So now I'm going to use my star blender to mix it together. Just to make it smooth, guys. So now, after mixing it very properly, I can now continue to add them as I was doing before. I can now use my spoon to add them. Don't fool it much. Then add your egg just like this and get the cover to cover it. And then I will come and keep it here. Keep watching. I will do the rest of camera. I will come to you when the moi moi is done. Then I will show you the outcome of this. Okay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give me a like, share. For you, if your family like moi moi, you can as well try this my method. And you will thank me later. I can see I have these 3 remaining one here, and now I will use my foil to cover it before I can cover it first. Yeah, that's good. Don't people say that's good? Yeah. So let me use my foil and seal it before I can cover with the cover. So we're going to go ahead now to foil it. This foil is going to help this mama to cook so fast with the steam. Actually, mama is good to cook with steam because it's not all of them will get water. But before I cover it very well, I have to add another water. So that I'm not going to be opening it more of the time. I will add more water from this place that I have not closed. Just to see now, covering first of all one side. So this time I will cover it a little way, so I can be adding water through there. But let me still show you, because this is a tutorial how you can make your moi moi in a safer way. Are you making a business? Do you want to start a business and you're looking for a business to start? I got you that you can start this business, and within some months you're going to make a lot of money. Yeah, but this is what I'm cooking for my family. I'm not selling it either. But yeah, if you're looking for a petty business you can do to get something, yeah, you can as well do it. It doesn't mean that you have all the things I use here. Just start with a little bit of bigger pot and some of the things you need. Then you are good to go. So after foiling it, I have to cover now. I have to cover it very well, like pressing it like. Yeah, so then I'll begin to cook. I'll get back to you when it's done, okay? So let's see if our moi moi is done. Since then I have not opened it because I'm hearing the sound of puto 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 puto. That is the sound of water is still in. Okay, I'm going to bring out one to check if it's done. Alright, oh my goodness. Look at it. Let me use my spoon to check it. So when checking, just start with the one up. That is where to know whether it is done well or not. Okay. So lekker. Guys, it is done. I'm going to bring it down. Oh my goodness.